So we're just off out to do the final bits of the Christmas grocery shop. When Rich got to Tesco last night, basically they were shutting and they've completely changed their 24-hour policy. So he got most of it done, but we still just got a few bits and pieces to pick up. So we're off this morning. Cunning plan foiled. So we're going to go brave the throngs of people, but we'll see how that is. We've got to go get the bird as well. This year we're having a goose. We've already ordered that, so it's just a case of picking it up from the butcher. So off we go. You're right. It's not the sun. There we go, that's round one done. We survived Tesco's, didn't we, sweetie? Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "More reindeer? You gonna sing?" Yeah, So this is going to be interesting. Obviously, I'm not going to cook it like that. I will take the plastic off and like do things with it and get a different baking tray. But there's not a lot of room in there. This is going to be fun.
There's butter. That's it.
All right then.
What's that? That's off one sugar.
That's the other one sugar, is it? So. And we've got another one, watch. See? Like that. And we open it up like this. There we go. And that's it. Let's finish it for us. Beat the egg for me, Aiden.
Egg.
Beat it. grams, we need another 8 grams. It smells nice, doesn't it? 57.
It smells nice.
Does it? Are you making biscuits? You've been baking? Go find Daddy. Let's see what he's doing. Let's show him your chocolate chops. Chocolate chops.
I can do it.
Yeah, you can. You can do it by shoving it in your mouth.
I also do both.
Yeah, I know you do. Yeah, you turn that one into a ball for me. Roll it. No, roll it, I said. Yeah. So it is Saturday evening, Saturday the 22nd of December. We've had quite a busy day, as I'm sure you've seen. I'm just in the middle of making the gravy. This is something that you do quite a few days in advance, and it just kind of, it develops more flavour the longer that you leave it. And then on the day you add the juices from the bird and stuff like that, and thicken it up, and it's divine. We've had it the last several years. Richie B and I are just in the throngs of wrapping up some of the presents. What time are we on? It's about 10 o'clock at night, somewhere there.
Yes.
Yeah, 10 o'clock. And we've still not done the advent calendar, so hey, we better get on that at some point. I'm going to get Richie B to help me again. That's going to be fun. I'll get Ezra tomorrow, I promise. Hi there everybody, it is gone midnight. It's been a really, really busy day. It was the 22nd of December, it's now the 23rd, but I've just spotted this. Totally forgot to open it. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this and let Ezra open it tomorrow. So there's a little teaser. It's not happening today. Da, da, da.